Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Now let's tap on date and time. As you can see, it should be on the 4th position, and here we've got some options which we can customize, but currently we cannot even tap on date, time or the time zone. It is because we are using network provided time and time zone. So we have to turn off both of those options just by tapping on the switcher, and now we can just tap on date. As you can see, and we can pick the date from the calendar, so just find the one we would like to use, for example this one, tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, we can pick the time we want to use from this clock, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see we will be able to find the one we would like to set. So let me pick randomly this one. And as you can see, it will be applied. Of course, be aware that the time will change according to the time zone. Under it, we've got the time format. Currently, we are using local default, but after turning off this option just by tapping on the switcher, we can manually decide if we want to use 24-hour or 12-hour format. So just by tapping on it, you can set 24-hour format. So basically, that's all. This is how to change date and time in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.